Key SEO tips to boost SERP results. Increasing your SERP results is a great strategy to get more people to visit your website. This increase in traffic leads to increased visibility and higher ranking on SERPs. There are numerous techniques to improve your search engine rankings and increase the number of visits to your website. But the most of them demand a significant amount of effort and study. The following pointers will help you boost your SERP visibility. Engage with social media. To improve engagement, share your articles on social media. Create a Twitter page for your company and use a program like Hootsuite to plan social media postings so you don't have to tweet all day. Because it's all about sharing, make the most of the social benefit. Share your blog entries on Facebook and Twitter. Google's ranks will improve if you follow the procedures above. But keep in mind that it's a lengthy and complicated process. And sticking to a consistent plan that adapts to Google's evolving algorithms is your best hope for seeing the desired outcomes. Increased visibility, and improved conversions. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.